Understanding velvety texture in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, velvety texture. This phrase is often used in English to describe certain qualities of objects, foods, or even experiences. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so unique and how you can use it in your everyday English. The word velvety is an adjective that comes from the noun velvet. Velvet is a type of fabric known for its soft, smooth, and luxurious feel. When something is described as velvety, it means it has a quality similar to velvet, soft, smooth, and pleasing to the touch. It's often used to describe things like chocolate, skin, or the petals of certain flowers. Now, let's talk about the word texture. In English, texture refers to the feel, appearance, or consistency of a surface or a substance. It's about how something feels when you touch it, or how it appears to the eye. For example, something could have a rough texture, a smooth texture, or in our case, a velvety texture. Understanding how to use velvety texture in context can be very helpful. Here are a few examples. 1. The cake had a velvety texture that melted in the mouth. 2. She admired the velvety texture of the rose petals. 3. The artist's use of color gave the painting a velvety texture. In these sentences, velvety texture is used to describe something that is exceptionally smooth and luxurious, much like velvet itself. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, velvety texture. This phrase is a beautiful way to describe things that are smooth, soft, and luxurious. I hope this lesson helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.